We are Lit Outdoors. We are proud to present to you the Tammock, the world's first hammock tent system that allows you to hammock wherever you go. We love hammocks and sharing the outdoor adventure with friends and family so much, we created a way to hammock anywhere. Hammocks are great, but they are limited to where you can use them. You need to find somewhere with trees and the perfect tree spacing. We wanted to create a new way to use hammocks anywhere while providing comfort, gear storage, and protection from the elements. So we created the Tammock. Designed with versatility in mind, the Tammock is completely freestanding. It doesn't require stakes or anchor points, causing less damage to our precious landscapes. The frame is sturdy, easy to use, and sets up in seconds. Ripstop nylon makes the Tammock durable. It's designed to provide plenty of storage space to keep your gear or a furry companion safe and dry. With pockets above and beside you, your items are easy to access while you relax. It fits in an easy-to-carry bag, making it perfect for car trips, events, or your next remote getaway. At Lit Outdoors, we are working hard to bring you a more comfortable outdoor experience. We need your support to bring the Tammock to life. Please back and share the Tammock. Help kickstart the Tammock to life. Adventure anywhere, no trees required.